Welcome to STAS Organizer. We will guide you through our registration process and explain everything along the way. When you navigate to our main page, click on Application. Select Create Account. If you are the company owner, select Register as Company. On this page, you will see our pre-made packages. Underneath, you can select any features you need and check which features are included in each package. Standard Package is a basic package for worker management, schedules, and automated timesheets. The Professional Package includes all available features within the app and provides detailed project organization, inventory management, and comprehensive reporting. This package has two payment options. Per registered user, same price for all users with an account in the app, whether they use it or not. Per active user, different price for active users versus inactive registered users. When it comes to the custom package, you have the ability to select any features underneath for your needs. The star indicates that the feature is connected to another one to provide full functionality. When you choose the package you wish to use, click on Select Package. Now we need to register your company and you as the owner. Go ahead and fill out the company's basic information and click Next when done. A summary of your chosen features will be displayed in this area. Next, enter your basic information to create an account for you to log in. Lastly, you need to agree to the terms below. When done, click on Register. Our admins will review your application and finalize the company creation. You will be notified via email whether the application was accepted or rejected. When you receive this email, you can go ahead and log into your account from the login screen we saw in the beginning. Keep in mind, you have the flexibility to change your packages and features at any time. To access our page, click on the link in the description. Thank you for choosing STAS Organizer, and please do not hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. We're always here to help.